Hey dummy, welcome back to my channel. I'm Biki and you're not. So basically, I've noticed that around my mouth, I've been getting these like dark spots, basically skin discoloration. Now this is kind of common with people who have a lot of melanin like me. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to make this video. Right now it is February 19th, February 20th. I just want to see how long it takes me to figure out something to fix this problem. I'm kind of upset about it because my skin is usually a great source of pride for me. I know that sounds a little conceited, but
nobody cares.
My skin and my teeth, I think, are two of my greatest attributes, that next to my amazing smile. I just know that there has to be some remedy to this situation. Alright, so listen, I'm serious about figuring this out, and I'm gonna fix this problem if it's the last thing I do. When I find out, I'm gonna tell you. I mean, that's like kind of what this entire video is about. 8 treatment options for hyperpigmentation. 1. Lightening creams. That's not happening. Face acids. I think that's also not happening. Retinoids. What is that? Chemical peel. Laser peel. Can I just like put honey on my face or something? So I actually asked someone to pick it up for me, and I have the neem oil right here. I heard a lot about it smelling really bad. Definitely not to get it into your mouth because it's awful. It's really just some oil from a tree, and apparently it's really good for your skin, hair, and also your plants. Let's see how bad it smells. So it's not the best smelling thing in the world, but that's not really what we're concerned about here. I'm just concerned that it's gonna fix my face. These are the 4 spots that it's the worst. I have no idea what caused this. My best guess is that I am just not going outside as much as I used to. I can imagine that's probably affected my skin in some way. It really does have quite a powerful smell. Pure unrefined neem oil has a strong, earthy, and garlicky smell. I guess it actually does smell kind of like garlic. Another remedy that I saw online was to mix lemon juice and honey. Now I put lemon on my face yesterday. Probably wasn't one of my smartest moves. Is my face supposed to be burning? So I don't think I'm gonna put lemon on my face ever again. I don't expect my skin to go back to normal in one day, but I'm excited to see any sort of result. And that's my origin story, so here we are.
Get to the point already.
I'm actually really excited to share some information with you guys that's a little bit more substantial than me just reacting to a stupid TikTok video. So originally I was just gonna talk about how I cured my hyperpigmentation, but I decided to make this video a little bit more general so that it can apply to more people and I can help you achieve really nice, really clear, and even skin. Kind of like me.
Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up.
But yeah, I'm actually so hyped that I can actually give you some information that I know works. But I'm also going to give you some products that really help when it comes to healing your skin, moisturizing your skin, and just making your skin look nice overall. And it's no crazy products. I think it's pretty obvious that I'm not a dermatologist.
Yeah, we can tell.
If you have some crazy skin condition, I don't want to guarantee that anything is going to work because everybody's skin is different. But you know your skin best, and I'm just going to give you products that I think can help. And I really do hope that these products work for you like they worked for me. So first I'm going to talk about how I fixed this hyperpigmentation problem. I'm going to show some clips of me before and after, and I think it's a pretty clear difference. The marks around my mouth have significantly lightened. I think it could even disappear a little bit more, but I'm really happy with the results so far, and it's pretty much healed. I treat my face and my body separately. So I have sensitive skin. I really try to take care of what I put on my face. For the rest of my body, I always use Dove soap. For my face, I use different cleansers. I kind of just use whatever my mom buys. And I use this Cetaphil, which is just a basic facial cleanser. I think you should have a separate product for your face. I don't believe that you need like 20 different products. 1 or 2 things will do fine. I pretty much only use this on my face, but I also use a St. Ives facial scrub. I think it's good to have something that can scrub your skin in a safe way. You don't want it to be too abrasive. Now, when it comes to St. Ives, I'm a little bit conflicted because I know that they put things in their products that can like tear the surface of your skin. Now, this says it has natural walnut shell powder. I'm actually allergic to walnuts. But besides that, I think that's actually not very good for your face because like I said before, it's actually tearing into your skin. I'm actually not very sure how I feel about this product, but like I said, I'm just showing you the things that I use. So now the actual fun is gonna begin. I'm gonna share the product that I believe helped cure my hyperpigmentation. Can I get a drum roll, please? Just kidding. I'm not gonna drag it. I used neem oil. So I actually used this in my putting effort in my appearance for once video. The only caveat with this is it smells really bad. It literally says on the box that it has a strong earthy and garlicky smell and calls itself pungent. So it smells really bad, but it also tastes worse. You really don't want to get it in your mouth, even though I pretty much got it in my mouth every single night because I was putting it around my mouth, so it's kind of inevitable. And you never get used to the taste. It's just so bad. I mean, hey, I can't say the thing didn't work. It did. So basically, after you wash your face with whatever cleanser you use, you put 1 drop in the affected area and you just rub that in. On some websites, it said that you should wash it off after like 30 minutes or so. I didn't do that. I just let it sit and soak throughout the day. For example, before I went to bed, I would wash my face and then I would put the neem oil on the spots and I would just go to bed like that. Try not to get it on your pillow because I'm telling you now, it's really unpleasant. I kind of lied in the intro of this video. I don't expect my skin to go back to normal in 1 day. If I'm being honest, I kind of did expect results in 1 day. I'm just a very impatient person. But when it comes to the neem oil, I would say it took me about a month to see it like really clear up. And now it's to the point where my skin has kind of gone back to normal. Secondly, I want to talk about how to keep your skin even, moisturized, and healed. And this applies to people of all skin types and shades. It doesn't matter what color you are, or if you have sensitive skin, or dry and patchy skin, oily skin. You really want to make sure that you keep your skin moisturized. I'm talking to you, James. It's kind of the most interesting thing. A lot of my lighter skin friends, when I talk to them, they just don't moisturize. They just take a shower and then put their clothes on. No, guys, you need to moisturize. Every single one of you, if you're watching this video, you need to moisturize. Look, come here. I'm gonna tell you a secret, all right? Do you want to look like you're 30 when you're like 60? Moisturize your skin, okay? Trust me, you're gonna love me in like 50 years when you have the best skin in the nursing home. I promise you. So I'm gonna share some products with you that are literally the holy grail when it comes to moisturizing your skin. So first up, we have coconut oil. Yes, a literal tub of coconut oil. I stand by this. People think I'm crazy for walking around with a tub of coconut oil. Okay, I actually don't walk around with it, but I'm telling you, coconut oil is perfect for your skin. Interesting enough, I'm also allergic to coconut.
How are you not dead?
Now, I just want to make it clear that you should always spot test a product before you start slathering it everywhere, because I've seen some things online of people not reacting well to coconut oil. Sometimes it makes people break out and they just don't have a good reaction to it. I kind of think sometimes I have an allergic reaction to it, but that's besides the point. I use this for everything. I use it for my hair, I use it for my body, I use it for my face. It absorbs into your skin easily, it has a really nice aroma because, hey, it's coconut, like what did you expect? And it's honestly one of my favorite moisturizers. But like I said, make sure you test it first to make sure that you won't have a bad reaction. Number 2, and I feel like this is going to be a little bit subscribing.
What EF did I say subscribing? I even said it twice because I did that take again. So stupid. Don't do drugs, kids. Also subscribe to me.
But it's tanning oil. Now, I actually discovered this on TikTok. I really recommend this for people with darker skin. It just like makes your skin really glow. And it's kind of funny because the top ingredients are 2 products that I already use, but it has the added bonus of a bunch of different oils, which I also really recommend different oils for your skin. So like jojoba, tea tree oil. I do put this on my face and it's a really good moisturizer. It has coconut oil. It literally says it on the bottle. My only qualm with this is that it doesn't have sunscreen, which you should all be wearing, by the way. If this had sunscreen, it would be the perfect product, but it doesn't. So next up we have cocoa butter. I would say this is my favorite moisturizer. I just love the way it smells. It just heals everything. I think it really helped when it came to my hyperpigmentation. This is something that I also use. It makes your skin soft. It makes you smell good. Like, what more do you want? I really recommend that everybody use cocoa butter. It should be good for all skin types. Again, you want to make sure that it works for you. So if you're worried about buying a big container and it going to waste, which it shouldn't, because you should be moisturizing yourself every single day. And I think something like this would last me like 2-3 months, depending on how much you use it. The number 1 best moisturizer, best healing treatment, best everything ever is Aquaphor. Whoever made this thing, heaven. Automatic Heaven. This heals literally everything. It helps with burns, it helps with scars, cuts, scratches, pretty much anything. Honestly, I wish I could lather myself in it. The only reason I wouldn't is because it's kind of expensive, but if you use it sparingly, then it can last you a long time. I've had this container since my junior year of high school, and I'm only now starting to see the bottom of the container. I'm not lying, this expired last year. And so that's the secret to perfect skin. I hope this video was helpful for you. I mean, who am I kidding? Of course it was. Now go out there and get the perfect skin that you deserve. See you in the next one.